Yes, hello students. Today we are going to start some objective questions of lines and angles chapter. It is very easy. Try to solve it. It's very easy, no? It is depend on our basic concepts. First question is, if two angles are supplements of each other, then each angle is dash angle. Two angles are supplements to each other. Okay. It means the sum of two angles, this will be 180. Let one angle is x, another angle is again x. X plus x is equal to 180 degree because sum of these two is what? Supplement. Then how many times of x? 1x and 1x, 2. Twice of angle x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then what will be angle x? 180 degree upon 2. This is 90 degree. 90 degree is your answer. Yes, question number 2. The complement of 75 degree. First of all, what is meaning of complement? Complement meaning is sum of two angle is 90 degree. Then what is the complement of 75? You can write directly 90 degree minus 75. This will come 15 degree. 15 degree is your answer. Yes, question number 3. Just you see two lines are there which two are intersect each other. These two lines L and M. Angles are given by this 2x plus 20 degree and 3x minus 40 degree. Just you see this is one line. So this will be your linear pair. Okay. So what we can write? 3x minus 40 degree plus 2x plus 20 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. What can I say? This is linear pair. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Minus 40 plus 20 is what? Minus 20. This is 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 180 plus 20. This will be 200. Then what will be value of x? 200 divided by 5. X is equal to 40 degree. This is your answer. Yes, in question number 4, see again, L and M both are two lines which are intersecting each other, and see here these two angles are 3x minus 20 degree and 2x plus 40 degree. These two are vertically opposite angles, and what we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So what can we write? 3x minus 20 degree is equal to 2x plus 40 degree. Okay, then what will come? 3x minus 2x, and here 40 degree is already here. I am sending 20 degree that side. This will be plus 20 degree, no? So 40 plus 20 is what? 60, and 3x minus 2x is x. So 60 degree is your answer. Question number 5th. See, one triangle is A, B and C. This is one triangle and this is its exterior angle, and these two are interior opposite angles. Okay. So what we can say and what we know by exterior angle property, exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. It means we have to find the sum of this angle x plus 60 degree, which will be equal to its exterior angle. This is 110. So angle x will be what? 110 minus 60 degree. So this will be your 50 degree, and this is your answer. Yes, come on question number 7, where we have given L and M both are parallel lines. Okay, angle P is given to you 100 degree, it is clear, and angle R is given to you 140, it is also clear. You have to find angle POR. It means which angle? See here, this is this angle. This you have to find out. So what to do? See here, I am drawing one line which is parallel to L and M. This is the line, see, Okay, I can say this line is n, small n. Okay, now I am writing this is angle 1 and this is assuming angle 2. And what will be this angle O? Angle 1 plus angle 2. It is very clear. Okay. And one more thing you can see, angle M is parallel to angle N. Then I can say angle 1 plus angle 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. You know why is that so? Because of co-interior angles. Okay. Two parallel line and intersected by any transversal line, and this interior angles are called co-interior angles. Okay, it means I can say angle 1 plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? Then angle 1 directly 180 minus 140 is 40 degree. Then come on for angle 2. Angle 2 plus 100 degree. Angle 2 plus 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then tell me 180 minus 100. This will be 80 degree. And reason is what? Co-interior angles. Clear? Then what will be angle POR? POR will be angle 1 plus angle 2. So I can say 40 degree plus 80 degree. This will be 120 degree. Yes, question number 8. See here, these two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. It is given to you. If angle AOC plus BOD is equal to 100 degree. AOC is this and BOD is this. Its sum is given to you 100 degree. Then what you have to find? You have to find AOD. This you have to find out. Okay. If I write this X, let's say AOC is equal to X, then these two are vertically opposite angle. Definitely this will be X. So what we can write? Angle X AOC plus angle X BOD is equal to 100 degree. So twice of angle X is equal to 100 degree. Okay. So what will be 100 divided by 2? This will be 50 degree. If this is 50 degree X, then tell me by linear pair. Okay, let's say this is Y. So 50 degree plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. And what was this earlier? This is given, no? Condition is given. So what is angle Y? 180 degree minus 50. This will be 130 degree. And Y is what? AOD. AOD will become 130 degree. Yes, come on for question number 9. See here 2x plus 40 degree and 3x minus 10 degree, and these angles on a line. So this is the line and it is bisected by, this is the line of this I can say intersecting line 1. Okay, so this is convert into linear pair, no? That sum of linear pair we know, no? It is just like a supplementary. Supplementary means sum of these two is 180 degree. 3x minus 10. Sum of these two is equal to 180 degree. This is by linear pair. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 40 minus 10 is 30 plus 30. If I send there 180 minus 30, this will become 150. Okay, then 150 degree upon 5, this will be what? 30 degree. This is your answer. Yes, come on, question number 10. If measure of one angle is 4 times supplement, then the angle of measure will be, okay, let that angle be x, and another which is 4 times of x, it means sum of these two will be what? 180 degree. Okay, let one angle is x, 4 times supplement is 4x. And what is the meaning? The sum of these two will be what? 180. Then 5x is equal to 180. What will be x? 180 degree upon 5. Then what will come? 5 3s are 15. 3 5 6 are 30. 36 degree is your answer. Come on for question number 11. Question number 11. Yes, it is a nice question. No, see, three angles are there, and these three angles on a line. One angle is this, another is this, and third one is this. And these three on a line, we can say angles on a straight line. And it means what will be the sum? Let you see. Sum is what? 180 degree. It means 2x plus 30 degree plus 60 degree plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Isn't it? Then what will come? 4 plus 2 6. And here 60 plus 30 is 90. And 180 minus 90 is what? 90 degree. Then we'll find x. 90 degree upon 6. Okay, 6 ones are 6. 6 5s are 30. X will be what? 15 degree. This is your answer. Yes, now see, line L is parallel to M is given to you. L and M both are parallel lines. Again you see this is one transversal line is T, and these two are which type of angles? Tell me. Which two these type of angles are? These are, yes, co-interior angles. Very good. These are co-interior angles. And what is the property of co-interior angles for parallel lines? Co-interior angles are sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Come on, 4x degree plus 3x degree and 5 degree is equal to 180 degree. This is what? 7x degree 180 degree minus 5 degree. This is 175 degree. And what is x then? 175 degree upon 7 degree. Okay, 7 2s are 14, 3 is remaining 35, 7 5s are 35. Then what is the answer? 25 is your answer. Yes, question number 13, what is given? Just you see. AB is parallel to CD. It means, see in the question, this is AB and here this is CD. Okay, and this angle 130 is given to you. This angle is given 110. You have to find what? BOC. Let's say this is X. Okay, what I am going to do, I am drawing one line. I am drawing one line which is parallel to AB and CD both. Okay, this is the line, I can say L. Because AB is parallel to L, AB is parallel to L, what is the meaning? These two will be co-interior angles. Can I say this is Y? Can I say this is Z? Then angle Y plus 130 degree, this will be 180 degree. So what will be angle Y? 180 minus 130 is 50 degree. Okay. And if CD is parallel to L, then angle Z plus 110 degree, this should be 180 degree. What is angle Z? 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. It is very clear. And reason is what? Co-interior angle. Co-interior angles. Okay. But what you have to find? You have to find angle BOC. And what is angle BOC? This is X. And actually you see this is a line and this is, you see here, this is what? Angle at a straight line. What is the meaning? What is angle Y? It was 50 degree here, which we got it. What is angle Z? We got it 70 degree. Okay, and what is the sum of these three is 180. A 50 plus x plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 50 degree plus 70 degree is 120 plus angle x is 180. What is angle x? 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Okay, like this. So angle x will be 60 degree. This is your answer.